week I've thoroughly enjoyed meeting new people and working with people on different courses. I think it was really fresh to meet other people, as in my course, which is Product Innovation Development. We work with the same people a lot of the time, so it's nice to meet people at the different courses such as the e-business and media courses.
Yeah, the Innovation Week's been good. I wasn't really up for it at the start, but after I've been to all the lectures and getting a bit of the teamwork, it's really turned out actually. Yeah.
So I think it was a good chance for people to come together who didn't kind of know, which was good. We probably came up with a few more ideas than what I would have thought of at the start of the week.
What I most enjoyed about the Innovation Week was just the group collaboration and learning more about the group collaboration and things.
Innovation Week, yeah, it was actually fantastic. I really learned a lot because group work and that is something that I've never really had before, and I can understand that in the industry whenever we qualify and get our degrees, I feel like when we go into the work industry, the first thing is you're going to have to learn how to cooperate with others.
Well, I think Innovation Week has gone really well, and the students seem to go from what's out of it, and the lectures have been absolutely superb. They've been really inspiring for the students, and it's been a real success, I would say.
I attended all the Ford lectures this week. I thought they were really good. It was a nice insight into what the company's about, because you just hear that it's just a car company, whereas it was nice to hear actually the design behind it.
And the engine one was quite a good one with the woman on the Thursday. That was a quality one, and she goes all over the world and produces stuff in Brazil and all that. And I didn't think you'd have anyone of that calibre coming in to talk to us, and some of the stuff she had to say was unbelievable.
I was amazed at the amount of commitment and effort Ford Motor Company put into this event. If you think about 5 leading design engineers committing 5 days of their time on this project.
I think the lecture that was probably the best for me for designs and things like that was probably, I think, on the Tuesday, where the fella talking about safety. I think the Tuesday fella talking about safety and things like that. I think that was probably the most important one to remember.
The Ford lectures have been really inspiring. I think the ability of the Ford people to relate the real engineering problems to the students in a very, very clear way has been really, really
It has opened up my horizons to obviously different types of teams that I can work with now and in the future, both in terms of my university work and also again when I come to employment.
Well, the whole week's been pretty hectic, it's been one of them weeks where it's been pretty intense, we've done a lot of work, and when I first started this enterprise development, it was how are we going to get the ball rolling, if you like. So Innovation Week pretty much got everybody more or less a kick start, which was really helpful, because we've been starting to work together in a group really well, and our ideas have been flowing, if you like. So Innovation Week was a fantastic idea for me anyway.
I'm absolutely delighted the way that it's ended up. The students have exceeded my expectations. The ideas that they've generated, the way that they've worked in the groups. I think at the beginning of the week they were struggling to understand the concept of working in collaborative groups, but now they actually get it and they can understand the way that ideas are generated.